How to create public profile on Snapchat. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. It will bring you to this page that shows your profile. Now usually to create public profile, if you just scroll down there should be an option. However, you might not be able to see this for a couple of reasons. First reason could be that you have not updated your Snapchat. So first try it out. And if the option still doesn't show up, then go to your setting on the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down until the privacy control panel. Here you have to go to every option and change it to everyone or public. Just look at me doing it and you will get a general idea. This will enable the create public profile option in your profile section. Now just go to that option and just click to get started in the bottom of the screen. Then click to create. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page where you see that you have created a public profile. Now you could mess around with every option that a public profile have.